Platforms like Bharat Dialogues are so important and so imperative to have these conversations on art, theatre, dialogue, mental health, trauma-informed spaces, not just in schools or communities, but also in colleges, in office spaces, at home. Because home is supposed to be a safe space. No one's talking about safe spaces for women and children anymore. हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि ऑफिस में औरत सेफ है कि नहीं, स्कूल में औरत सेफ है कि नहीं, बट हम भूल जाते हैं कि वो औरत या वो बच्ची या वो बच्चा घर में सेफ है कि नहीं. सो आज की जो कॉन्वर्सेशंस थी, आई एम सो प्राउड टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक भारत डायलॉग्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वो मुश्किल मुद्दों की बातें हुई, यहाँ पे वो बातें हुई जो अक्सर आपको मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में मेंटल हेल्थ पे सुनने को नहीं मिलती हैं. आपको वो बातें सुनने को मिली और उन बातों पे चर्चा हुई. और बहुत जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, जो ऐसे लोग हैं जो 30 साल से ऊपर जिन्होंने मेंटल हेल्थ के स्पेस में इंडिया में काम किया है, उनको सेलिब्रेट किया गया. एंड आई थिंक अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक दैट इज़ ब्रेव, it is non-apologetic, and it makes sure that women are truly celebrated on International Women's Day. To promote self-care and resilience in women today, we have to understand that it's not just about celebrating the International Women's Day on platforms or with balloons and with crackers. What we really need to do is to understand that for celebrating women, we need to pay them equally. We need to talk about the gender pay gap. We need to talk about domestic violence. We need to talk about child sexual abuse. We need to talk about incest. And that is truly when not just safe conversations around safety, but also creating brave spaces. So from safe spaces to brave spaces, when the conversations evolve, is when we will truly have understood or tried to understand what these conversations can be. Self-care is not, women are not expecting self-care in terms of manicures and pedicures and makeup. Self-care for us really means making sure the gender pay gap does not exist, making sure that women and men have equality, making sure that men can also learn to cry and it will not be called less macho.